Good day, everyone! It's English time. Let us now have a discussion regarding the topic locating specific sources. At the end of the lesson, you'll be able to use the card catalog, the online public access catalog or electronic search engine to locate specific resources, gather current information from newspapers and other print and non-print media, and extract information from a text using a summary, précis, and paraphrase. While the library is usually the primary go-to place for students when they are in need of information or data from specific resources, technology has deeply changed the way we perceive library work and research, from using electronic resources like Online Public Access Catalog or OPAC to accessing a wide array of online libraries from all over the world through the mechanism of online search engines. The World Wide Web, or the Internet, contains truckloads of information. This is why searching for a specific information in this huge pool of knowledge can both be tiring and intimidating. The primary key to navigating the Internet successfully and with ease is actually knowing where to start. This is where the roles of a search engine come into play. An online search engine is actually a program that searches for words or phrases in documents, most often in articles, web pages, and published materials in the Internet. It is similar to a library in an online setting, as it gives you access to millions of domain names that store vast amounts of information. There are three common types of search engines one may use. These are general search engines, meta search engines, and specific search engines. Let us look at it one by one. General search engines refer to wide-ranging search engines capable of searching millions upon millions of sites for specific information. These include the likes of MSN, Ask.com, Yahoo, and Google. A meta search engine, on the other hand, works by actually using other search engines to find the needed information. It works the same way when you use a website to help find the best deals on a particular product or, say, flight booking for your trip. Popular examples of this type include Dogpile and Metacrawler. Finally, a specific search engine, as the name implies, is a much smaller and more specific type and is designed more specifically for certain users' needs. A good example for this type is a periodical database on culture, history, politics, and government, which are usually accessed for research purposes. While specific search engines can usually be accessed for free, as in the case of academic databases in libraries, most would require user enrollment or a subscription to allow unlimited access. Some examples under this type are academic search, JSTOR, and LexisNexis. To summarize this week's topic, online search engine is a program that searches for words or phrases in the Internet. It has three types, namely general search engine, meta search engine, and specific search engine. Regardless of what type of search engine you decide to use, you will always find a vast selection of resources. Most users would usually prefer using one search engine before all others, and you might decide to just do the same. It is essential, however, to note that in order for you to maximize the efficiency of your use of search engines, there are strategies that may be used to help you find the most relevant results. These also save time and ensure that you only get the data that you actually need. These strategies include knowing the proper keywords to be used in the search. Addition of keys that can prompt that search engine helps in limiting search results. Reach out if you have comments, questions, and more. That's all for today. Goodbye, class.